Here's how to fix incorrect password on Instagram. Now open up Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and let's say you forgot your password and it's saying it's incorrect. All you need to do is hit forgot password here, and it's going to walk you through some options. You can either find your account through your phone number, or you can use your email address and username instead. So enter in whatever you want. Now in my case, I'm going to enter in the phone number, so I'll enter it in here. And I'm just going to hit continue. After you've done that, it will search for that specific account that's tied to that phone number, and it will send you a code. So after it texts you the code, all you need to do is enter that code directly in here. You can see if you can't get it, you can always hit send a code again, but there we go, I just got it, and hit continue. After you've done that, you can see the two accounts that I have. All you need to do is tap on the account here. And just like that, it will log you back into your account, even though you don't necessarily know your password. After you've done that, you can always get into the settings and change the password if you want to.